one door only. Dear children, today I will tell you a very interesting incident. Once, the grandson of Hazrat Umar Farooq came to the Kaaba. In the Mataf, the area around the Kaaba where people perform tawaf, he met the ruler of the time, Hisham bin Abdul Malik. After greeting him, Hisham said,
O respected one, if you have any need, please command me so that I may serve you.
Salim, Rahma Allah, said,
Hisham, I feel ashamed to stand before the house of Allah and ask anyone other than him. The respect and etiquette of standing here require that one should spread their hands only before Allah.
Hisham was left speechless and remained silent. By fate, when Salim, Rahma Allah, left the sacred mosque, Hisham also happened to come out at the same time. He approached him again and said,
Now, please tell me how I can serve you.
Salim, Rahma Allah, said,
Hisham, tell me, should I ask you for religious or worldly needs?
Hisham knew that in matters of religion, Salim, Rahma Allah, was among the greatest scholars and pious people of the time. So he humbly said, Respected one, please ask me for something worldly. Salim, Rahma Allah, immediately replied,
I have never asked for worldly things even from my Creator and Master. Why would I ask them from you?
Hearing this, Hisham was astonished. He realized that there are some special servants of Allah in this world who present all their needs only and only before Him. Lesson: we should also follow the ways of such pious people. Whenever we need anything, we should first offer prayers and ask Allah through supplication. Then, with respect, we may request our parents. If it is appropriate, they will surely fulfill our need. At the same time, we should strive to use our own belongings as much as possible so that we do not have to depend on others.
If you liked the story, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.